Hi, I'm Michelle de Leon. I'm a television producer. I'm also the founder of World Afro Day. I've been working in TV for over 20 years. I've been doing World Afro Day for 3 years. Also a mother of a teenager. So you could say I am kind of busy, but I was really honoured for Superdrug to ask me to share some of my story with you. So I hope it's encouraging. I can't believe it's been 30 years since I've been in this place. This is my old college, West London College, and I knew even back then I wanted to be in the media and I really wanted to make a difference. I landed my first job straight out of university at GMTV, but it was a real kind of rude awakening, really. Young black kids in a very corporate environment. It was tricky, and I had to learn to adapt really fast. So, as you know, it's Black History Month, and why does that really matter? I think I got to a point in my career where I was doing really well, I was successful. I had some amazing years working at GMTV, but there still felt like there was something missing, and I got into the media to make a difference, I think to share some of myself actually, and some of my perspective on life as a Black British person. I wanted to see those stories reflected more, but I wasn't really telling those stories. My daughter was my inspiration for starting World Afro Day. I really wanted to change negative struggle around Afro hair into a positive celebration. I wonder if any of you have a dream, like I had a dream to start World Afro Day. Don't give up, really. I, first of all, I didn't want to do World Afro Day. I just thought it was too big, so I ran away from it for about a year. Then I finally got the courage to say, okay, I'm just going to go for it. Pulling off the first World Afro Day was so exciting. It was really inspirational to see people embrace it all over the world, share their photographs of their hair and reading their comments. It was just such a special day. I think my ambition in 2018 got the better of me. We went on to do a World Afro Day Awards. It was great, but it was too much. We launched World Afro Day lesson plans in schools, and then I got an invitation to the United Nations in Geneva. 2019, the focus for World Afro Day became young people, children. I was really fed up of the stories that I was hearing about children being excluded for having Afro hair all over the world. I really wanted to do something about it in this country. One of my highlights of working with Superdrug has to be the braid and beauty bus, the World Afro Day takeover of the Superdrug bus. We had so much fun with it. Everyone fell in love with it. The kids had an amazing time. The Big Hair Assembly was another first, live streamed to schools internationally to raise awareness about hair bias in schools. We signed up 11,500 children from schools all over the world. Our partnership with Superdrug has been really special, and we're really excited about our plans for 2020, so hopefully you'll be seeing some more of us.